So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung DW80R2031US dishwasher not draining, hose, pump and filter. So fix 1 is clean the filter and sump. Open the door and remove the bottom rack. Twist the cylindrical filter counterclockwise and lift it out. Separate the mesh screen and wash all components roughly with hot water, dish soap and a soft brush. Scoop out any standing water in the bottom of the tube. Wipe out the sump pit to remove blockage. Second fix is disconnect power at the circuit breaker before starting. Locate the corrugated hose behind the dishwasher and trace it under the sink. Inspect the hose for sharp bends, kinks or crushing that may restrict water flow. Remove the hose from the garbage disposal or air gap for further inspection. Use a wet dry soap bag to clear any blockage inside the hose. Check the garbage disposal to ensure the internal plastic knockout plug was removed during installation. Third fix is inspect the drain pump. Shut off the power at the breaker. Gently lay the dishwasher on its back to access the bottom. Locate the drain pump. Press the locking tab and turn the pump counterclockwise to remove it. Click the pump's impeller blade or debris and ensure the impeller turns freely. If it is damaged or seized, you will need to replace the pump. Thanks for watching.